Hi, I'm Paul Rigby, co-author of the B-Book, the B-Book version 2.0, and master facilitator for Be Ready for Digital Business Transformation Workshop. So what is digital business transformation and what's it all about? Well, let's start with a definition. Digital business transformation is organizational change through the use of digital technologies and business models to improve performance and add value. Digital business transformation is not just about changing skill sets, it's about changing mindsets and changing behaviors, and in particular, the mindsets and behaviors of the senior leadership team. I'm sure most people will agree that work will look very different in the future. We need a growth mindset. This means we need to embrace the challenges, embrace perseverance, hard work, and constant learning. The mantra for digital business transformation is test fast, learn fast, scale fast. As I always like to say, trying is easy, failure is easy, but productive learning that moves your organization forward is more difficult, and that is why we need a growth mindset. Note that talking about a growth mindset is not the same thing as having a growth mindset. This is why we always drill home the phrase, don't do digital, be digital. Organizations cannot just claim to be digital. They need to act digital in everything they do. I mean everything they do. And it starts at the top. And here's the thing about digital business transformation. We often talk about resilience. Resilience is bouncing back. But with digital business transformation, there is no back. Clocks do not go backwards. Calendars do not go backwards. We must keep moving forwards. So what we need is resilience and the ability for people to move forward to make their organizations bounce forward. To do this, we need more trust, more teamwork, more collaboration than ever before. We need to focus on a future that is better than the present, where the organization is relevant, stays relevant, and is fit for purpose. There is good news and there is bad news. The bad news is there'll be plenty of disruption. It will require hard work. It will require new ways of working. There will be many complaints. There will be many failures, and we need to get used to that. And it'll be quite unsettling, let's be honest. The good news is that once your organization becomes digitally mature, I doubt that employees will want to return to the old ways. Employees, customers, and shareholders will appreciate how much better and more productive we will be in this new way of working. The goal for digital business transformation is not to be a digital organization just for the sake of the trend to be digital. The goal is to create an organization that can operate efficiently in an ever-changing future, one that is fit for purpose, one that remains relevant. Things are moving forward at warp speed. We must adapt and get used to it. Digital disruption is here to stay. In Be Ready for Digital Business Transformation Workshop, we use the B-Book version 2.0 as a story to help translate our thoughts. We discuss the implications for organizations, and we help participants to really understand what it means to be digital, how to get there, and how to stay there. If you wish to understand more about the workshop and/or comment on the content of this video, please do so. My email and details are on the screen. I look forward to hearing from you, and thank you for listening.